ARRI announced a software called FilmLab, which is a real-time analog film emulation plugin for DaVinci Resolve, Baselight, and Nuke. And that is pretty cool because we can now see that ARRI is really entering a space where they are trying to probably also find other ways, like to stay in the game other than hardware. Now, the nice thing is, as far as I understand, there's a film grain emulation with 3 stock profiles. So it emulates the structure of 3 negative stocks. That's the 50D, the 200T, and the 500T negative film stock. And you can really emulate the texture of this stock. And then there's also color processing and print stock emulation. So it kind of fakes the whole photochemical process from the beginning to the end, and then gives you a result that looks very convincing. If you look at their demo videos it would be very hard for me to say that this hasn't been shot on film. I mean, some of those shots are really convincing in that way. And it's nice to have a plugin like that from a company like ARRI that really is about, creating cinematic images. Nobody has more experience with that. Nobody has more cameras in the top ranks of any, Oscar winners and so on. It's just, I think there comes a lot of trust. And it's one of the things that we talked about lately when we talked about ARRI's future, is that they should really use that name and that reputation they have to build on top of that with their experience when it comes to super high quality images. And that's exactly what they're doing with this FilmLab plugin.